Hello guys, welcome back to your own channel, that is Smart English Learning with Sushma Ruhal. In this video, I will tell you about 12th class revised paper pattern with 30% deduction in syllabus for the session 2021, right? And with the marking scheme also. You know what happened there? Earlier it was spoken to us that the paper pattern is changed there, right? That time only paper pattern was changed, but this time there is a deduction of 30% syllabus, right? So what is the deduction there, what happened there, we are just coming to know about this in this session, in this video. And secondly, I will tell you the marking scheme as well as how the paper will be there about it, right? And if you want to check rest of the videos there, you can just subscribe the channel, go to the playlist, and you can watch your desirous video of grammar, writing section and literature part, right? So let's begin the video there. What is given in the beginning? Question paper design 2021 English core. The subject name is English core, that is class 12th, and the code is 301. So what is given here? First section, reading section, it will be of 20 marks. Creating writing skill will be of 16 marks only. This time 16 marks. Okay, earlier it was coming in 30 marks, right? But this time it is in 16 marks. And literature will come in 44 marks. So like this, the paper will be of 80 marks. And assessment, assessment will be of speaking and listening skill will be there, and it will be observed as in 20 marks, right? So like this, your 100 marks paper will be completed there. So what is deleted there from your syllabus? First come to know that. First, you should come to know which are the book names for you. The book names are Flamingo and Vistas. Everybody knows about the books name there, right? Now, which topics are deleted here? You can just focus there. Deleted topics are given like from reading section. Note making and summary was coming there since last year's, but this year not making and summary is deleted from the syllabus, right? So from reading section, this is the major change, that not making and summary will not come now, right? From the literature part, and first book is like Flamingo. So from Flamingo, 6th chapter Poets and Pancakes is deleted from the syllabus. Lesson 7th, the interview, is deleted from the syllabus, as well as lesson 8th, Going Place, is also deleted from the syllabus. So 6th, 7th and 8th, last 3 chapters are deleted. Now in this book only 1 to 5 chapters are there. And one more, Roadside Stand, is a poem, the poem number 5th, this is also deleted from the syllabus. So means to say, in this book 5 lessons are there and 5 poems are there. So this 5th poem is deleted from the syllabus, as well as 6th, 7th and 8th chapters also deleted from the Flamingo book. Now come to the Vistas book. So in the Vistas book, your second chapter was the Tiger King. So this is also deleted from the syllabus. Journey to the End of the Earth, also deleted from the syllabus. And 8th chapter, Memories of Childhood, also deleted from your syllabus. So this is your deleted syllabus from literature part. Now come to writing section. Poster making. Poster making is deleted from your syllabus. Secondly, business or official letters were coming there for making inquiry. Inquiry letter are deleted from the syllabus, right? And next, complaint letters. Like official letters, inquiry letter or complaint letters are deleted from your syllabus, right? Asking for giving information or place an order or sending replies, means to say that letters, which type of letters are deleted from the syllabus? Inquiry letter, complaint letter and place an order. These 3 kinds of letters are deleted from your syllabus, as well as its reply also deleted, means to say inquiry letter, reply for inquiry letter, complaint letter, a reply of complaint letter, right? Place an order or cancellation of order or sending reply of place an order, that is also cancelled from the syllabus, right? Next is the speech and debate writing, also deleted from the syllabus. So this is about the deleted syllabus. Now what will come? The question is in your brain, if this is deleted, then what will come and how it will come and in how many marks will it come? So let's come to know what will come and in how many marks. So what is given there? The very first question, that is the reading comprehension, will be of 20 marks. And in this 20 marks, your first question will be of, as usual, your passage will be given to you, and on the behalf of that passage some questions will be given to you, and out of 11 questions you have to write 10 questions, like 10 out of 11 you have to solve, right? So one mark each question will be given to you. Out of 11 questions you have to give reply of any 10 questions, and in these questions, you know, vocabulary will be asked there, same meaning words will be asked there, and one mark questions will be asked there, right? Now second is there again of 10 marks, multiple choice questions means MCQs will also be given there, right? Some case based factual passages will be given, right? And next is there, it can happen just like data based, chart based, or newspaper report based, some paragraph unseen passage will be given to you, and 10 out of 11 you have to do here also, means to say in first question out of 11, 10 questions you have to do, one mark each, right? And next also out of 11 you have to give answer of any 10, 1 mark each question will be given to you also, that, right? So means to say in place of giving you not making summary, last year but was there, second question was of not making summary last year, but this year they are giving you passage once again, in which again MCQs will be given there, okay, and some more questions will be given to you there, right? Out of 11 you have to give reply of any 10 there. And yes, combined word limit for both passes, will be 700 to 750. This is very good thing that the word limitation is decreased this year, right? And this is the word limitation of both of the passes, not of the one, both of the passes is there, so this is very good thing. Next is their literature. So how the literature will come here, multiple choice questions will be asked on the basis of two prose extract. Extract means some question, some lines will be given to you from the chapters, from the poems, okay, and you have to give reply on the basis of those lines. So what's given here, MCQs questions will be asked on two prose extract, one each from the books, means one extract will be taken from Flamingo book, and second extract will be taken from Vista's book. So two will be given to you there, and to assess comprehension and appreciation, and refer to the line to the answer question based on given extract. Any two out of three extract to be done, means three extracts will be given to you, you have to give reply of any two extract there, and 8 into 1 means 1 mark each question, and total it will be of 8 marks, right? Means to say 1 mark each the question will be given to you. Out of three extract you have to give reply of any two extracts there, right? So two questions reply you have to give there. Next is the MCQs based on the poetry. Now the poetry from the poems also, poems are given in the Flamingo book, and 5 poems are there in your syllabus. So out of 5 poems, extract will be given to you. Okay, so what questions based on the given extract, you have to write the answer of the questions. And secondly, any one out of 2 extracted to be done, means to say 2 extract will be given to you, but you have to give answer of any one which is best according to you. So you can give reply for any one extract which is taken from the poems, and it will be of 1 mark each and 4 marks total, right? Next is given here text based questions to assess comprehension, analysis, and inference and interpretation from the book Flamingo and Vista. So 8 question out of 10 question to be done, means to say now the very short questions will be given to you, 1 mark each. So this year you have to go through deeply from the chapters, because they can ask you any of the question, and each question will carry 1 mark here from both of the books, and books are there Flamingo and Vistas there, right? So from both of the books they can ask you any of the question out of any of the chapter. So be ready with this challenge, so be ready to get 8 marks this year and 1 mark each. Now what will come here, writing section will come in 16 marks only, right? So what will come here, notice and advertisement. Means notice and advertisement, two will be given to you, one notice and second will be advertisement. So choice will be given to you. Out of notice and advertisement you can select any one, and word limitation will be for 50 words. Out of two given questions to be answered, means anyone you can select, either notice or advertisement. And this year it will come in 3 marks only. Last year it was of 4 marks, but this year it will come in 3 marks. 1 mark format, 1 mark content, and expression will be of 1 mark there, right? So this is the major change there, that a notice or advertisement, anyone you have to do here, anyone you have to choose there, and it will be of 3 marks. Now the next question will be of a short, this is short writing test because it will come in 3 marks. Next is short writing test, again there, no letter. So which letter will come here? Formal, informal, invitation, and reply. Means invitation will be there now, right? So choice will be of invitation, either it will be informal invitation or it can be formal invitation, like business based invitation, otherwise the family invitation will be there. And you have to give reply also, this one. So out of 2 invitation, either reply or simple invitation is sent, then on the basis of that you have to select any one question, and it will also come in 3 marks, 1 mark format, 1 mark content, and 1 mark for expression, right? So means there will be choice between 2 things, invitation, either informal invitation or formal invitation, or reply will be asked to you. Next is given letters. You know, some letters are already deleted from the syllabus there, but which letter will come here? Just focus on this one. Letters based on verbal visual input, means what kind of, now this will be the long writing based, 120 to 150 words you have to write the letter here. Okay, and in this one what will come? Application for a job, means one kind of letter will come, job application. And second is a letter to editor, on some opinion on some issues will be given to you. Means 2 types of letters are left in your syllabus. One is application for a job, means job application, and second is left here for letter to editor, right? And it will come this year in 5 marks. Earlier it was coming in 6 marks, but this year it will come in 5 marks. So format 1 mark, content 2 mark, and expression, in expression your way of writing skill, or secondly your grammatical mistake will be checked in this part here. So like this the marking scheme is given there. Next is here, you know, speech and debate is deleted from the syllabus. Now this time article and report, there will be choice in article and report, and it will also come only in 5 marks, right? So in descriptive nature you have it will be given to you, and 120 to 150 words means no need to write more than 1 page, one side only one side you have to complete for article or speech writing, because it will come only in 5 marks. So you can choose any one out of 2, and 1 mark for format, 2 marks for content, and 2 marks for expression. And in the expression, once again your writing way, your writing skill, as well as your grammatical mistakes will be observed there. Next is the literature section, that is of 24 marks, and how it will be observed, let's see. In next question, you know, 5 short question type, answer type question, 5 short questions you have to write, means out of 6 questions will be given to you. You have to give answer of any 5, and each question will carry 2 marks. So 2 5s are 10, so 10 marks questions will come here. And from prose and poetry from Flamingo book, means these 6 questions will be given from Flamingo book, right? And from the poems as well as from the chapters also. And out of 6 you have to attempt any 5, and 2 marks each, right? Like this 10 marks questions will be there only from Flamingo book. Now the turn is of Vista's book. So from Vista's book again 3 questions will be given to you. Out of 3 you have to give answer of any 2, and each question carry 2 marks. So 2 2s are 4 marks question you have to attempt from Vista's also. Next question will be long question, and this year long question will be in 5 marks, and but last it was in 6 marks. So this year what will come? This year question will be from poetry section also. Earlier the long question was coming only from the chapters, only from the lessons, from the prose part, but this year The long question will come from poem also, one from poem, second from prose, second from the chapters. So choice will be given to you, anyone you can select here, in which you are sure that yeah, this will be the answer there, right? So out of prose and poetry, one each question will be given to you. You have to give reply of any one there in 5 marks. Same will happen there also in Vista's book. So in Vista's book, uh, two questions will be given to you. Out of two questions, you will select any one. So it was the paper format as well as your marking scheme. And how will you attempt it, how much in how many words you have to write. I guess everybody would understand this, man. So hope everybody is getting the information whatever is CBSE launched there. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a nice day, everybody.